Welcome back to the channel. This is a new playlist of Python where we will be talking about Python like from the starting to advanced level. Okay. Before that, you need to download some of the softwares or IDE, I will say, on which we will be building or we will be coding Python codes. Okay. So first thing you have to download is Python. Okay. How you can download Python? Okay. Just go on search. Okay. And just write downloads. Okay. Just write download Python. Okay, you will be getting the first list. Click on this. Okay, and then download. Okay, your file will be downloaded like this. uh, Download it like this. Okay, just open it and just say yeah, just click on install now and just next. Okay, everything should be like automated. You should not choose manually, I guess. If you want, if you know how to customize all those things, if you want to locate in any and like D drive or any drive you want, okay, you can do it. But I will, if you're a beginner, so just click. Okay, do not do anything. Okay, once you have downloaded, okay, just check the version. Okay, just go on CMD. Okay, click on CMD and just write Python. Python. Okay, so you will get your version, Python version here. Okay, now if this is like if you got this or this is showing in your terminal, then that means like yo, congratulations, you successfully installed Python in your computer or desktop. And then you have to download Anaconda. Okay, so you just type download Anaconda, click on the Anaconda link. Okay, then free downloads, and when you click on the free download, you will get the interface like this. Okay, just click on the free download, then you will get the interface like this and just download. Okay, it will take some time because it's like, I guess, 1 GB. Okay, it will take some time. Just install it. Okay, just click and next. I will show you what all the interface you will get by clicking Anaconda. Okay, like this, next, and your Anaconda will be installed. Okay, why uh, I'm downloading Anaconda? Because Anaconda will have a package. Anaconda will give you the it is a package itself. Okay, you get the Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, and spiders and all those stuff. Okay, if you don't know what is like PyCharm and Jupyter, don't worry. Jupyter and PyCharm both are like, Jupyter is like, I will say, a basic ID, or we will start from Jupyter. We'll write our code in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, Jupyter Notebook is not a ID. Okay, it is like I will say like more over like a web integrated IDE, I will say. Okay, on which you can code yourself. So I will be starting from coding. Like I will start my code on Jupyter Notebook, and then once we will have a like some good amount of knowledge, then we will moving to PyCharm. And don't be like in hurry, or don't be confused what is ID and what is that software. It is just nothing. If you're a beginner, or just I've seen like a lot of people are getting confused what is ID and what is software. You can use, if you know how to use ID, you can use any ID. It doesn't matter you're writing in Visual Studio or PyCharm or Atom or anything, right? So yeah, so yeah, if you're like, if you want to download Anaconda, so I usually prefer to download Anaconda because once I download Anaconda, I got like PyCharm in there, and Jupyter Notebook and many more softwares inbuilt in Anaconda, right? So yeah, you can download it from there itself. And once you have downloaded, just click Jupyter Notebook. Okay, you will be seeing Jupyter Notebook Anaconda. Okay, if you're getting this, and just click on and it will be opened. Okay, but if what if your computer, like if you have a low configuration computer, you don't want to if you don't have space, or you have some issue with your processor or anything, right? So you can directly download Jupyter Notebook. Okay, pip install Jupyter Lab. Okay, but remember one thing: if you're doing pip install Jupyter Lab, okay, you must download Python itself. First, download the Python, and then come here. Okay, once you have downloaded like Python, okay, check the Python version. Okay, then just do pip install Jupyter. If you're not capable of doing anything, any of these things, just go to here. Okay, go here, just to Google Colab. Okay, just Google Colab. So this is a Google Colab, okay, where you have where you can test your Python code, or you can run your cells, okay, block of code. Just click on the new cell. It's very easy, okay. So yeah, it is totally free, you can use it, okay. So yep, you can use here, okay. So I will write hello here. Yeah. Hmm. It might take few seconds because it all things are running on cloud. So yeah, it is setting all those things. But yep, I have written print hello. Let's see. Yeah, you can see you're getting the hello. Okay. So yeah, it will take a few seconds because yeah, everything is on cloud and it'll set it for the first time. It might take some time as well because it will set up all those things. So yeah, you can use collab as well. So first thing, what you have to do? First thing, just go and download Jupyter Lab. Sorry, first go and download Python. Then, if you got the good configuration and if you think you're having space, everything is good, just download Anaconda. Okay. And if you think like, okay, Anaconda is like a heavy software, I can't download it, or my laptop or desktop will not handle this. Just do pip install Jupyter Lab. Okay, that's it. And uh, then if your laptop or desktop doesn't like capable of anything, just use like online Google Colab. Okay, I show you. Just you can do everything here. Okay, anything you can write, you can execute as like it is similar to Jupyter Lab. Okay, when I will show you what is Jupyter Lab. If I want to show you, let's open Jupyter Lab. Okay, so my Jupyter Lab is getting open. Okay, see, so see here and here, similar, right? Very much similar, right? So I will do one thing. I will do print. I will do print. Hello. See both the in both way, right? It is getting the answer is or output is similar, right? So choose wisely when you're just using Google Colab. Okay. Like write the code in a good manner. It will give you and like it will give you the output same as whatever I will be doing in Jupyter Lab. Okay. Next thing, how I gonna like proceed further. Okay, in today's session I told you, right, how you can download what you need to be there, like what all the software you needed, or how you can download anything, like I told you everything. Okay, if you got if you got error, or if you are unable to download or set up these things, just comment it down in the video. Okay, I will personally connect with you, or I will try my best to solve that issue. Okay, else if you don't want to waste the time, okay, don't wait for me, don't wait for anyone, just Google it, or just search how to download Jupyter Notebook, or how to download Anaconda. Okay, I'm not telling you from the starting because I already have those stuff, right? So it doesn't matter. And I think like if you're willing to just learn the language, right? I think that you are like enough sincere, right, to how to download any software. But still, if you're getting error, if you're unable to do anything, just Google it, and you will find many more videos like how to download Jupyter Lab, Anaconda, PyCharm, or anything, right? But yeah, so I will tell you how I will proceed. Okay, so I will tell you. The installation part is done. Okay, I told you how to download and all those stuff. Okay, installation is done. So installation is like download Python first, download Python. Okay, download Python, then download Jupyter, Jupyter. Oh, sorry, Anaconda. Okay, if you are not capable, or if your laptop or desktop doesn't allow to download, or not capable of handling loads, download Jupyter. Simple. Just download Jupyter. Okay. If nothing works for you, just go on collab. Go on collab. And trust me, you will find many more IDs. Okay. You can run like many places. Okay. Even we have a lot of online IDs or where you can just run your code, Python code. Okay. So don't worry about that. If this doesn't work or that doesn't work, what I will. Okay. Now how I will proceed. Okay. So I will start from the very basic. Okay. Basic Python. Okay. Variable. Okay. And before that, how you can print anything. I already told, right? How you can print anything. Just I have shown you, right? How you can just print and whatever you have to write. So how you can print variable, data type, then different kinds of data types are there. Okay. Uh, then you have, we will talking about integer, string, list, dictionary. Okay. And then we have well, all we have lists. Then we have sets, tuples. Okay. Then we have operators, conditional statements, and so on, right? So till advanced. Okay. And after that, once we complete all the basic till class objects and all those stuff. Okay. Then in parallel, what I will do, I will start giving you. I will start practicing. Like let's suppose I will take a problem. Okay. Problem with the strings. Okay. With the strings, then list. And don't worry if you don't know what is list, strings, and all those stuff. Don't worry, I didn't told you anything, right? I'm just telling how I'm gonna proceed. Okay. Then we'll be talking about databases. Then we'll be seeing the Flask and Django for API for API. Then statistics. Okay. Then we will be going for ML and ML projects. Okay. So till this is how I'm planning to start and end all those session. It will take hardly, I guess, not more than 2.5 months. But let's see how I'm gonna proceed. Okay. And now, let's focus. Let's have some theory because from another video I will start like directly going on the like core part or coding part, right? So let's see before that what let's have like some basic like in the what's variable, what is that, this and that in the theory part. Okay. Because in the next video I will directly tell you what is a variable, how you can print or how you can code variable and all that stuff. So remember these things. Okay. Variable, data type. Okay. What is variable? Okay. If I tell you in the layman way, variable and data type is just a naming convention. Okay, let's suppose you have one box. Okay, this is your box. Okay, and that box is filled up of salt. So this is your salt. This is your salt. Now, if I will tell what is if I will ask what is variable here, or like what is salt and like what is salt here. So salt here can be referred to referred to data type, and that this box can refer to variable. What that mean? Okay, so that mean is that variable, like box is a variable which is containing what kind of what it is containing is salt, right? So box is a box is a container, is a container which is containing which is containing which is containing salt. So I can say that box is a variable and data type of that variable is salt, right? So similar when you're writing any code, right? When you're writing any code, you're writing any code, every time or in a lot of scenarios, and lot of scenarios you will be you will be dealing with dealing with dealing with data, okay? And different kinds of data, different kind of data different kinds of data different kinds of data kinds of data and different different natures and behavior of data behavior of data. So let's suppose you take an input from a user. You take an you take an input from a user. Okay, and and you are storing that data in one place, I will say, or yep, in one place called user input. Okay, then your user input will be variable, and whatever and whatever the type of data it is storing will be data type. Data type. Okay, so just read. I have written all the theory concept in a beautiful like para. Okay, there's 4 lines. Okay, let's suppose you have taken an input from a user and you're storing that data in one place called user input. Then your user input will be a variable, and whatever the data of whatever the type of data it is storing will be data type. Let me let me make you more clear. Okay, let's suppose you have user input. Okay, you got a number. You got a you got a number from user. Okay, you got a number from user. Okay, like 3. Then in Python 3 is and 3 is an integer. So what I told you, user type, user in what is a variable? Variable is user input. Okay, this is your variable. This is your variable. Okay, and what you got a number from a user. Number is 3 in Python, 3 or any number. Okay, any number, any number, any number without decimal is an integer. Integer in Python. In Python. Okay. Now, if I will ask you, what is the data type of user input? So, what kind of data it is storing in storing? Three. What is three? Three is the int. So, data type will be data type will be int. Okay. Now, what if you got 3.0? 3.0. Okay. So, in Python, a number with decimal is a floating number, or is a floating number, or float value. Float value. So now, what is the variable? Variable will be same. Variable will be same. Here, this is a variable, but now it is storing 3.0. So what is 3.0 in Python? A number with a decimal is a floating value or float. Okay. So data type will be float. Let's suppose user gave an input as a. So in Python, any letter or word, sentence enclosed within single, single, double, or triple inverted comma is a str or string. Okay, so uh, what is the variable here? Same variable will be same. Okay, and what I say? So what I have written here. So in Python, any letter or word or a sentence enclosed within single inverted comma, single inverted comma this, okay, double inverted comma like this, or triple inverted comma like this, okay, as a string. So data type will be type will be data type will be string. Okay, so similar, there will be a list. Okay, there will be a dictionary. There will be a set, tuple. So whatever your variable is storing, that will be the data type of that variable. Okay, and don't be confused. Like if you still getting confused, what is user, like how you from where you got the user input and how you are assigning values and all those stuff. Trust me, once we will do a hands-on, okay, you will be very clear. But till now, like till here, you just understand what I'm trying to tell you. That if you want to, if you if you want to If you want to know how you can declare a variable or how you want to just, I will give you like some glimpses if you want to know. So in Python, if you want to declare a variable, you can declare like this, any name, okay, any valid name, and I will tell you how you can choose a valid name. What does all like you can't choose a name like this 99 name or something start. There is some protocol, so you can rules set of rules that in Python that okay you can choose name like this. You can this is a correct way of variable name. You can do like this, you can do like this name, okay, you can do like this, okay, but you cannot do like name, okay, you cannot have like this underrate name or something. And till I will tell you all those stuff like how you can declare a variable name and all those stuff. Just remember one thing, if you want to know, this is how you can declare a variable name as equal to, let's suppose John. That's it. So, yep, you have declared one name or one variable. This is your variable name. And what is the data type of this? So data type is string. Okay, this will be string. Okay, data type. So uh, this is how you uh, check the data type, and you got to know that what is the variable and name. Okay, so in the next video when I will be coding, right, so just try to relate those things. When I will tell you like this is when I will declare variable, then I will just check the type, okay, then I will show you like okay, see this, see this, see this, okay. So this is how you want to do. And there is some one more topic is keywords. What those means, keywords. So keyword is like some names which is preserved, and Python preserved it. Like let's suppose I told you, right, you have some thing like name, okay, you can give the name as a variable name. You can give like a student name, okay, a student name like this, okay. So there are you just google it, I will show you what are the keywords in Python. So you cannot use the variable name as keywords. Like let's suppose few of them I know. So just like string, like list, okay, this is reserved, okay, str, this is reserved, this this is reserved, okay, top, this is reserved, bool, okay, this is reserved, int, reserved. What that mean, that you cannot use it as a variable name, okay. Like they have some specific meaning, like def. This is how you define a function. You don't know like what is function now, but before us defining any function in Python, you have to just use this keyword def, and then function name, any function name, or just remember like just uh, look into this what I'm like just if I will tell you what a function and all that, you might be confused. But remember one thing, def is a keyword which is used when you define function and all those other stuff, right? I will tell you, don't worry. But before that, let's see what all are the keywords. Okay, let's see. I will do keywords in Python. Okay, keywords in Python. What is this? See, see, these all are the keywords. So you cannot use these word as your variable name. And while I will tell you now what is the valid variable name, how you can define and all those other stuff. Okay. But just remember one thing for now, just you cannot use directly these names. Okay. Like and, del, def, elif, else, except, lambda, in, isn't. Okay. You cannot use that as your variable name. So yeah, this is all I want to tell you. Like so how you can download ID or Anaconda, Jupyter, how you can download Python, set up all those things. Like how can you check whether your Python is successfully installed on your local machine or not. So yeah, From the next video, right, I will not deep dive into the theory because I already cleared all those stuff. Okay, what is variable and what is data type. Okay, and I already tell you what is keywords. Okay, these are the things I told you. And from the next video, I will directly do a hands-on. Okay. So till then, just try to download. And whenever you are coming to the class or whenever you're taking to the class, don't just sit and watch. Okay. Trust me, this is how you cannot achieve mastery on codes. Okay. Whatever I'm writing, just try by yourself. Okay. Me like if I'm getting too in a speed or I'm telling you something which is going beyond your head, just try to watch again, okay, and try by yourself one time, two time, third time, and trust me, like in four, five time, you will get it. Okay, so yeah, that is from my side. Till then, take care. Bye bye.